Faded off the kush, I'm gone. Only 2 years old when daddy used to bring them hookers home. Looking like my grandma, my niggas got that ammo. We Jackson and then light up the L. Sam, yo, Tunchi and this bitch, nigga. Y'all niggas, bitch, niggas. Rats gon' rat and snakes gon' hiss, nigga. Baseball rich, nigga. Do this shit for all my homies. Where them bad bitches at? Come and put that pussy on me. Tunchi, you a murderer. Boy, you just be killing shit. Yeah, you know that money talk. I am the ventriloquist. Tranquilizer in the trunk. Put your ass to sleep, man. Birdman Jr. got the world in my wingspan. How you niggas wanna have it your way? Burger King, I get deep in that pussy. Dig her out. Surgery. Fucking with a real nigga. Fucking right. Certainly. Break in your fucking home. Take your life. Burglary. Whoa, nigga. Die slow, nigga. For dear life, you're holding on. In vogue, nigga. Unload, nigga. Reload, nigga. Tools on deck. Home Depot, nigga. Well, if life is a bitch, then mine a gold digger. Yeah, and all my bitches nasty like a cold dinner. Every day I go so hard and work my ass off. I'm good, I'm 100 like a fastball. It's called a foe. Yeah.
Good.
I'm going back in, man. Yeah, we get fucked, y'all money. How you won't play it? That AK sleep on the side of my bed. That's one eye closed, one eye open. Your cap get peeled like ibuprofen. I'm sick, I'm ill, I ain't the nigga to fuck with. It's a crazy world and life is shorter than Bushwick. Young money, man, we got this shit by a landslide. Boy, I send them bloods at your ass like a tampon. Uptown shit, wet the whole party. Weezy gon' ball like Steve Harvey. The heater, I'm a tucker like D-Loris. That's my word like thesaurus. I don't see no future in your front and I be stunting hard. Rap game depending on me like a bungee cord. Fear nobody but God Almighty. Shoot that motherfucker till I get arthritis. I'm a beast, I'm a ass, I'm a head of my class. I'm a diamond in the rough like a baby in the trash. I don't talk it, I live it. I paint a picture vivid. And them pistols popping like they sitting in a skillet. I go so hard, go so mean. I'm so New Orleans, told the judge I couldn't budge. It was him or me. Forget the bullshit and remember me. Yeah, never thoughts of suicide, I'm too alive. But I still treat it like it's do or die. Even though dying isn't in the plans, but neither was making it, and here I am in the presidential. Do you like your new room? Always presidential, and tonight's no blue moon. Since I saw Aaliyah's precious life go too soon, she deserved the credit for how I'm about to get it. That's why I got new dumb thing moving to the street, got new condo moving to the beach. Heard Nicki just bought a brand new crib. Goddamn, man, she's Beauty and the Beast, Lord. Seemed like yesterday that I was up and coming. Still so young that I ain't had enough of nothing. The fam here, the drink here, the girls here. Well, fuck, let's get it then. I'm trying to let go of the past. Should we make this one a double? You ain't even gotta ask. Because it's hard to say no. Yeah, it's hard to say no. Are you down? Are you down? Yeah, you all the way down. Every time, every time, every time, every time. Am I down? Am I down? Yeah, I'm all the way down. We'll be fine, we'll be fine, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. Are you down? Are you down? Yeah, you all the way down. Every time, every time, every time, every time. Am I down? Am I down? Yeah, I'm all the way down. We'll be fine, we'll be fine, we'll be fine, we'll be fine. Yeah. Used to make us proud, we had dreams of getting bigger, man. Loved you until now, but now I'm the nigga, man. You keep talking that you was this and you had this and you deserve some fucking credit. How did anyone forget it? Gotta show up in your city. Your girl is in the line and the line around the corner. It's my motherfucking time. You should take it as a sign, man. I got it right now. I wouldn't doubt it, cause these bitches all about it right now. Let's be real about this shit. Can I take you home or come to where you stay? Do you live on your own? I heard you got your ways, I never would've known. She says you're such a dog, I say you're such a bone. I've been everywhere, where you know me from. These days women give it to me like they owe me one, but they crave attention, no, they always saying show me some.
Say, Jill. It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking, bad bitch getting thick and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pour shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smiling in all my pictures. The marijuana loud, so them hoes follow like Twitter. Nigga, you know everything Taylor. Don't rush to the bar, fool, if you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. High as fuck, sloppy drunk when I'm passing through. Rolling doobies up, your hoe who we pass them to. Hit the club, spend this money up, roll another one, drink, act a fool. That's what I have to do. Champagne all night, never worry about a damn thing.